Hello and welcome to this video about an awesome web design builder which allows you to immediately create a website by talking to AI, so you don't have to code anything or don't have to use drag and drop solutions, and you just describe to the AI system what you want and you immediately get a usable result, and it can be used for web and mobile immediately. So as you can see, they have quite a lot of examples already on their websites, and they can be used for a wide variety of types of websites. As you can see, you can get started for free, and as you evolve to a pro user, you will have to pay $40 per month. So I think it's a really cool way for people that want to set up a quick website for their local organization or just want to test an ID and don't have the time to code everything up. So this ready tool will get you started in no time. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.